Hey guys, it's Ken back with another reaction video. This is quickly becoming one of my favorite bands to react to. This is Steven Seagulls with It's a Long Way to the Top if you want to rock and roll. This should be fantastic. Let's take a look.
Yeah, this one is from Australia. Isn't it, Mr. Mookie on the bass? This is a beautiful song from 70s? It is. Riding down the highway, going to the show, stopping on the byways, playing rock and roll, getting rock, getting stoned, getting beat up, broken bone, getting mad, getting true. Tell you folks, it's harder than it looks. It's a long way to the top if you wanna rock and roll. It's a long way to the top if you wanna rock and roll. You think it's easy doing one night stand? Try playing in a rock and roll band. It's a long way to the top if you wanna rock and roll. Motel, motel, makes you wanna cry. Lady do the hard sale, know the reason why. Getting old, getting gray, getting ripped up, underpaid, getting sold, second hand. That's how it goes, playing in the band. It's a long way to the top if you wanna rock and roll. It's a long way to the top if you wanna rock and roll. If you wanna be a star on stage and scream, look out, it's rough and mean. It's a long way to the top if you wanna rock and roll. It's a long way to the top if you wanna rock and roll. It's a long way to the top if you wanna rock and roll. It's a long way to the top if you wanna rock and roll. It's a long way to the top if you wanna rock and roll. It's a long way to the top if you wanna rock and roll. It's a long way to the top if you wanna rock and roll. It's a long way to the top if you wanna rock and roll. It's a long way to the top if you wanna rock and roll. Thank you so very much. Kiitoksia, rakkaat ihmiset. Thank you.
So this was one of my least favorite of their performances. I would say it's probably a little bit weaker than the others. The vocals was my only issue with it. It just felt like they were very monotone and not really energetic, not really much going on there. And this is one of those songs that can have a lot of energy and a lot of strength behind it, and I felt like it was really lacking in this performance. But I love their whole style, their whole look. I don't want to call it a gimmick because it may legitimately just be these guys, but I'm going to call it for the purposes of this. Their showmanship and their gimmick really shines through, even in the live shows. This is the first live show I've seen of theirs, and that's super cool. I love the way they film their videos. I love the whole look of everything that they do, and I'm glad that it translates into their live shows as well. So that was a cool feature I picked up on. And I love the variety of instruments they use. I just like that they leave their mark on everything they do, and it really does freshen it up and make it original, and really is a testament to them. So I enjoyed it. Hope you enjoyed it too. If you did, make sure to like, share, subscribe, comment down below with your thoughts on this performance. Then head on over to mishkent.com to submit your requests, upvote requests you'd like to see. Check out Facebook, Patreon, PayPal, all good ways to support the channel, all of them immensely appreciated. Give some love to the channel sponsor, React 2. The React 2 app is on iOS, and it's completely free and completely awesome. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next reaction video.